Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Triangles and its properties. This is the topic which students start studying from class 4, 5 onwards, and the topic of triangles goes up to class 10th. Why? Because the properties are big in number. There are huge number of properties and you need to be really good in understanding those properties. The basic things in a triangle are its elements and its types. So once you know what are the various elements of a triangle and the types of the triangle, then the things become more easier. We'll always try to gain mastery over basic concepts, and one of the basic concepts is exterior angle property. So I'll tell you what exterior angle property is before we get into our detailed video. Whenever there is a triangle and you produce one of the sides of the triangle, like this is the triangle and I produce this side, then it forms an exterior angle. This is called the exterior angle, and this exterior angle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So if you add this and this, you are going to get this angle. That is called exterior angle property. The exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, right? That is the property. Now let's see some of the questions based on this particular concept. Here we have a triangle drawn and we have to classify this triangle according to its side or angles. So here you can see that we have all the three sides given. Now when all the three sides are of different length, like 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter, then the triangle is called a scalene triangle. So the triangle is scalene if you consider only the sides. But if you consider the angles, here you can see this angle is 90 degree. And whenever one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, it is also called a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So based on the sides it is scalene, and based on the angle it is right angled triangle. Likewise in the second figure you can see 5, 7 and 8. All the three sides are of different length. So again this triangle is a scalene triangle. And what about the angles? This angle and this angle, they are not 90 or more than 90. They are all acute. That means less than 90, and therefore the triangle can be termed as an acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. So based on the side and based on the angles. Had two sides been equal, then based on the sides you would have called it an isosceles triangle. And had all the three sides been equal, then you would have called it an equilateral triangle. So you must know the categorization of the triangles based on the sides, the length of the sides and the measure of the angles. Let's see another question based on the exterior angle property. So you can see here this side. So let's name this figure as ABC. The side BA has been produced, thereby forming this exterior angle 135 degree. So what did I tell you? The exterior angle, that is 135 degree, will always be equal to the interior opposite angles. This is the angle which is adjacent, this angle A. But angle B and angle C are interior opposite angles. So this 135 degree will be obtained by adding these two angles. Here we have X and here we have 90 degree. So this is called the exterior angle property. And very simple, if you want to find X from here, 135 minus 90, that means the value of X will be 45 degree. So the exterior angle property helps us in finding some of the interior angles. Very similar to this, we have another question here where suppose PQR, this is the figure, that is the triangle, and we have produced the side PQ, thereby forming an exterior angle 95 degree. So interior opposite angles of 95 are 45 and X. So 45 and X, when you add the interior opposite angles, you will always get the exterior angle 95, and therefore the value of X will be 95 minus 45, which is exactly 50 degree. So some of the unknown angles you can find them very easily using the property called exterior angle property. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your classmates so that they can know the basic elements of a triangle and they should be comfortable using the exterior angle property to find the unknown angles. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting the notifications. Thanks for watching this video and all the best.